That's off. Okay, that's off. Move, Kelly. Look how dirty it is. Too messy. There you go. I just want to get this plug off. You can fix it up later, that's fine. Right, when they get old, yep. the plug becomes brittle. And it breaks off. We can fix it up. Yeah. We can save this one. Yeah. This one, look at this. Wow.
Oh no!
There you go.
See the glue over time.
Yeah, yeah.
That's how the water got in.
Okay.
The water drip, 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 drip underneath.
It should be covered,
It
right?
should be like sort of like this. Even that's starting to go. There's one. And then we can just
Yeah.
and then we can just swap it over.
Look at that.
Look at that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Gorgeous dog,
You can't recondition this one?
No. Too far gone. This is the only problem. You know what I mean? It's coming here, shorted inside.
Yeah.
No good.
Okay.
Best thing is, like I said, we get a second hand, code it,
Yeah.
take the data off this. If this wakes up,
Yeah.
we've got two problems. If this doesn't wake up and I can't transfer the data over, then I've got to bring everything here and do it like manually.
Okay.
But if this still has memory in it, all I need is just talk to the EIS switch, the ignition switch, transmission control unit, just let them all sync. If they all sync, we're perfect.
Alright, okay.
You know what I mean? But I'll have to do some research. I'll get some pictures of it, and I'll call my guy now.
Chris is now fixing the, what do you call that?
ECU plug.
ECU plug.
Even here's a bit, see how it's like corroding?
You need a brake cleaner?
That's alright, we'll do that last.
Yeah.
I just want to get all this sorted first, and then we can clean it up later.
Yeah. See, Chris really knows what he's doing. I got two mechanics come over here that doesn't know where the ECU is. They thought this is the ECU.
That's the front seam, the fuse box.
They are Toyota mechanics.
Yeah, see? It's hard to know if you're not part of this, you know?
I think I haven't done this kind of a job.
Yeah.
Yeah. My nephew is just finished being apprentice.
Oh, very nice. For which place?
In Castle Hill.
Oh, good, very good.
Yeah. They do this one as well.
Yeah, Tynans, is it?
No, what do you call that? They're from Germany.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Like that. Okay. Easy.
No, it's not all the way in yet, so we've got to make this. This plug here will be alright, you know. Don't worry about this plug. This is our main concern. This is this boy here.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, let me make a few calls, see if we have one in stock.
You're my hope.
Yeah.
Yeah. That one. Here you go. Look. That's unbelievable. We found it where the ECU is. It's disconnected. Oh, that's how you change the lights, the headlights.
Say what?
That one from this one here. This one for that one. That one there. So you look at it. Yeah, see? And there. And that's for the other one. It's for the headlights. That's for lower lights. That's the headlights. And on the top there. So you just have to open this one underneath. And that's okay. Done a good job. Really, I'm happy. He knows what he's doing. But those wiring in there. It's the okay, show me. Where is that? Where is that? What happened to that one? What the hell is that? Oh, it's the rubber. It's gone. Rubber as well. Look at that. That's did it over there. This one. That's how you do it. Thank you, Lord. You don't want to miss my video? Make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?